Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of PUBG. If you're looking for a way to log out of your PUBG account, first of all, open up PUBG on your device, and once you're on this page, tap on the little arrow at the bottom right next to inventory. In the expanded menu, click on settings. Now, at the bottom left, you should see a logout button. Tap on it, and then a confirmation pop-up will appear. If you want to log out of all devices where you've previously logged into PUBG with, tap on this little square box at the bottom and click OK. If you just want to log out from this specific device, leave the box unchecked and tap on OK. And right after you do that, you will then be able to sign out of PUBG. Once you've logged out, you can sign in with a different account or take a break from the game. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.